Right, so after we eat, so yung hotel na yan, share. Our food has been served. So we guys, welcome to another vlog. Nakalimutan namin yung mic. Yeah, special guest,
Special guest Korean art.
Korean barbecue. Sana pupunta kami. We're going to Honolulu. It's 6 hours flight again. So, yeah. So, itong aircraft na to, we're
Itong aircraft na to is bago.
yeah, aircraft is new. It's a Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Kita nyo yan guys, sobrang daming movie niya. Tapos may mga games. Tapos 3x3x3. 3x3 siya. Tsaka maganda yung CR, maluwag din. Tingnan nyo guys, maluwag, diba? Approve ba sa'yo ba? Approve.
Alright.
Magbubuk na ako ba?
After 5 hours and 58 minutes flight, we're back again in Honolulu. This time we don't do rentals, right?
Ba, anong terminal?
We don't have rentals right now, so I think we're on terminal. What terminal is this? I don't know what terminal is this. Let's just go outside first before you book. Honolulu. So just like I said, we don't do rentals, car, so we're just Ubering. Because I think basically we're staying at Waikiki most of the time. So yep, welcome to Hawaii again. Alright guys, so after we checked in, time check. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. So we're here at Waikiki Brewing Company just to eat our dinner. We have a special guest, Mangkok right there. Mangkok. When you're in Hawaii, you have to do that Mai Tai. Probably I'm gonna eat finger food. Look, another Mai Tai right here.
Taste test mo. Taste test.
Last month lang to, diba?
Yeah. Taste test kung anong pinagkaiba sa Maui sa Honolulu.
Ano ba daw? Sarap siya.
Maasim? No.
Hindi siya maasin. Tingnan mo.
Ayoko. Mas alcoholic or
Mas ano siya, mas matamis.
Ah,
Mas juice.
mas masarap siya kaysa sa Maui.
Mm.
Nice.
I got shrimp coconut, and fries, wings, and a loaded burger, whatever. Itakimasu! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now, where are we at? Waikiki, Honolulu, Hawaii. But just like what I've said yesterday at the airport, we don't have anything here. Don't have car. We just rented Airbnb, and now we're going to Duke's Waikiki Beach to eat lunch. Time check, 12:15 in the afternoon. So yep, walking 17 minutes away from our apartment. So guys, recap lang. So we've been here 2 times already in Honolulu.
This is the second time.
Yeah, this is the second time, but the first one is what?
Honeymoon.
First time is our honeymoon. 2 years ago, 2024. Sa Hilton Hotel, right? Oh, actually, it's 2 hotel. It's Sheraton and
Alaholani.
Alaholani.
Great hotels. Great location.
Nasa ano lang sila na, nasa Waikiki area.
In front of the beach.
Yeah, in front of the beach. Yo, I remember the streets now. These streets.
Sweet Kevin. Any questions about that? Kevin? Thank you.
So finally, we made it after 18 minutes walking. We're here at Duke's Waikiki. Okay, so if you're in Hawaii, hindi pwedeng palampasin itong Mai Tai. And a pug slush. Dumating na ang food, so I got mango barbecue burger, medium rare, cooked, and macadamia nut hummus, calamari, and what's yours?
Poke taco.
Poke taco.
Coffee taco.
Poke taco. Ngayon, first time mo sa Hawaii. Kindly rate your food. Your poke food earlier.
Nasa dagat.
Coffee tacos.
Yeah, poke tacos. Rate it. 10 is the highest.
I'm giving 7.5.
What?
7.5.
7.5. And then you order macadamia hummus. I pronounced it hummus earlier, but it's hummus. How do you, what's the rate?
6.
6?
Calamari is 10.
So
How about you, sir?
my mango barbecue chicken, medium rare. I'm gonna give it 8.5.
Yeah.
This one is 10 million.
Ikaw, rate your hula pie.
Rate your hula pie, my friend.
I give it a 7. It's too sweet.
7, so sweet. Not a sweet tooth.
Alright, so after we eat at the Duke's, which is right there, go to the beach. go to the beach. That's the Diamond Head right there. And welcome to Waikiki Beach.
Ano gagawin ko?
Shaka-shaka! Shaka-shaka. Ito gusto ni RJ to. What? RJ, sige na. Ta. Yan. Shaka-shaka. Ayun na bang? Saan ka? Narinig ko na yung bibilin. Where are you?
Dito. Ito lang.
Eh, yan yung ayaw ni Cooper eh.
Ayan ni Cooper ito.
Wala yung baboy.
Natatakot si Cooper.
Ayaw niya yan eh. Baka meron pa sa mo.
Nasa na si guest of special guest.
Lay. That's what you call lay. Sige ba? Suot na po. Oh, bagay. I like it. No. Ah. hindi ko pinost. Tan, tan, tan. Grade 1. First tan, 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 tan. Grade 2. Summa cum laude. Grade 2, summa cum laude. Bulldog. Bulldog. Baba, may bulldog na potato chips.
Do you remember this place now?
Yeah.
International Marketplace. Ito yung una namin pinuntahan nun. And then across the street, that's our hotel. Yeah. Alright guys. Itong bag na to may lahi. British. Brit bag. And then ito pong luggage na to nakatapos ng IT.
Shave ice, guys. Wow, grabe, shopping boy. Jay ngayon. Ay, kala ko treat yourself, trust yourself pala.
Trust yourself.
Kala ko treat yourself. Yan, yan.
We're looking for the restaurant that has the
Lobster roll.
lobster roll. It's somewhere over here, but I don't know where is it. I think it's a food court though. Where the hell is that?
Saka sa kabila.
Food court is upstairs pa.
Pero ay halos po.
Ah. Up and away. Oh, no, I think this one is different area.
Parang nga.
Mm.
Siguro.
So, yung hotel na yan, Sheraton. Diyan kami una nagstay.
Honeymoon.
Honeymoon
Na
stay.
hindi honeymoon kasi nag-away.
And then after what? After 2 days ba?
Nag-away tayo.
And then after 2 days, lumipat kami sa Alohelani.
Ano yung ecstasy?
Ecstasy, S-T-U-S-S-Y. Ano yun? We're here at Ala Moana Center, another mall. So pumunta kami ng Hawaii para sa mall. Look at
At
that.
sino pinakamaraming na shop?
Ito,
Lift.
na shoplift. Itong special guest namin, marami na shoplift.
No way I outsmart And you guys already.
Oh my God.
Bungko? Bungko.
Mangkok.
Ay, wait lang. Bango?
Guys, ito na naman siya guys.
Chanel yun.
Johnny was siya dati.
Ganda no?
Ano na siya ngayon?
Wait, are we seriously going there? Cartier. It is. Like wildly expensive.
All right, we're walking. We're going to Don Quixote. Nadali namin kayo sa Japan. Now, we just wanna see kung ano meron dun sa Don Quixote. And then after this, we're going home. Maligo and then take shower. And then kakain kami ng dinner sa labas. Alright. So Don Quixote in Honolulu, Hawaii is way different than Don Quixote in Tokyo. Wala sila yung Don Keys, Don Quixote. Now we're entering Don Quixote. Nice. Yan. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa Gundam eh. Car parts.
Worth it.
It's worth it.
You see that NSX earlier? Oh, One Piece. No, not for you.
Who's this? Tatay ni Luffy.
Nga, really?
Who's this? Yung tumutulong kay Luffy.
Who's this?
So yan mga
I know
yan.
this.
This was a cute part.
Well, but the same in Japan, but way different in Japan. Way different. Yeah, kasi yan yung binili ko sa Japan na hindi ko pa nabubuo. Don Quixote. Morning. Good afternoon, guys. Time check. 2 p.m. And look at our fit check. Swimming ka?
Yes.
And then look at my fit check. Sando on. Sando on.
Fit check with the bag. Ba, maharap ka.
And then shorts on.
Harap ka dito. Ano yung nakasulat dito?
Ewan ko pala.
Ah, amazing. At si Mungkok. Yeah. Tapos pupunta daw siya dyan.
Styling.
What?
That hipster styling.
Yeah.
Get,
Yeah, bruh.
So we're going to eat lunch today. Sushi, probably. Omakase. Omakase. $80 per person. Whoop, never mind guys. Sarado siya today. Ano na lang daw kami ng Jollibee. Hindi, namin yan. Somewhere over there. Kung ano meron.
Overrated.
Wala na rin kasi yung gusto niya na ano eh. Yung, ano ito? Yung lobster na nasa bread.
Ha? Yung wicked lobster. Nasa
Wicked
mata.
lobster sa bread. Hindi namin kung ano makakainan dito. In Waikiki. It's our last
Flex mo muna yung braso mo.
It's our last full day here in Hawaii. Going home tomorrow. Going back to work.
Kailangan ano
Hindi
tayo?
natin alam kung kailan ulit ang travel.
Kailangan ba
Right, so we're here. We're here at the food court ng Royal Hawaiian Cafe. And we ordered there at L&L Hawaiian Barbecue. It's a barbecue mix. Alright, barbecue mix.
so gusto ko?
2 scoop macaroni and then inihaw.
Ang dami naman po. Bob, flex mo. Ganun ka ba mo?
Ayaw mali. Bakot naman. Si yellow bro.
Hindi, ito mo Nutella yan.
So, Desi, tikman yan. Tikman yan. Tignan niya kung masarap. Sarap. Grabe, sarap. Sarap. Sarap na ito, Bam. The best promise. Eto, ako naman. Ano to, may kagat, ayaw mo yan. Tas sa akin tong bago. Itong custard ba to, vanilla? Sarap. Grabe, pre. Sarap. Sobra, napapatirik yung mata ko. Isa pa. Grabe, sarap talaga. The best. Ako naman, wala ka, Nobe. Ano to? Hindi naman. Sarap nga.
Right? Go to the beach. Let's give it away. Alright, the beach. At may maliligo na naman, magdadalang pisaw. Time check,
Bakit sana meron pong shower area?
it's 3:30.
Luguan ako.
Fun coming for that camp. Sa Hawaii, yung mga ganitong streets or papunta sa beach access, yung mga ganito. Paglagpas pa sa dulo, paradise. White sand, my friend. White sand.
Guys, magpapamassage kami. Body massage. And head. Oh, this is so nice. Bob? Hinahanap kita. Sorry. Wow. So cool. Nice. Mami, isa pa, go. So cute. Yeah.
Alright. Last day in Honolulu. We're going to Monkey Pad. Siyempre, Monkey Pad. Hindi pwede palapasin. Sa Monkey Pad. Katapat daw yun ng ano eh. Ng beachfront. Try natin pa dito. One day lang. Halata naman eh.
Next time.
Halata naman na 5 star.
Go here next time.
Why, man?
Where is it?
The National Stores of Hawaii. ABC.
Oh, you wanna go?
Mamaya.
You'll
Later. Yan, Monkey Pad Kitchen.
Nilakad natin yun. Maganda digaw na tayo. Di ba akala mo nasa to seafood ka?
May shortcut pala dito. There we go, Monkey Pad. So 30 minutes waiting. Ibutin namin itong outrager. Magkano ano rito? Ang per night dito ba? Ba? Upo na lang tayo rito. It's a free. Nakaupo. Iba na yung restaurant na yun. Lilipat na tayo.
Ano ba ito tayo?
Parang sarado na yung mga stores nila rito. Yung mga restaurant. No restaurant. Tanika. Pili. Outrager. Okay. Nagna-night strolling kami. 30 minutes yung waiting na Monkey Pad. So around kailangan makabalik kami around 9 o'clock. Around 8:50 I mean. Time check. It's 8:35 something.
Something.
A little bit in that.
I think it's one of the safest island again here, or island states here in USA, which is Hawaii. I'm gonna miss you Hawaii again. when will be the next time to visit you? Beautiful island of Hawaii. Alright.
Monkey pot again.
Monkey pot again.
Mai Tai again.
Mai Tai. Ano to? Same order?
Ano pa yun? Mahirap bigkasin.
Borgwa.
Yan, order tayo yung pizza. Tsaka yung... Ano yung bang yung in-order din natin?
Mai Tai.
Tatay. Alam mo, ito masarap din. Nakap na lang, masarap.
Alright, our Mai Tai is here. It's the one with alcohol, and this is the virgin one. Our food has been served. So we got this, ano to? Lobster pits. Thank you. Borgwa. And then what's this?
Cast iron shrimp.
Okay.
Fish and lobster pasta. May fish ba? May lobster pasta.
The
Truffle yan. Fries, truffle fries.
truffle fries. And poke again?
Yeah,
Bulgogi.
bulgogi.
Bulgogi pork tacos. Alright.
Ito